How to backup and restore WhatsApp chats easily. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily backup and restore your WhatsApp chats. First off, head over to whatsapp.com or web.whatsapp.com for a web browser. I'll just continue on with the app. Now tap on the three dots at the top right and then select settings from here. From your settings, you basically want to go to chat section down below, and then you can find something called chat backup. Tap on it. Now you need to go ahead and select your Google account where you want to store your backups, and just go ahead and click on backup option at the top. Now it will back up all of your available messages to your Google Drive. Now all you have to do to recover your backup messages is once you log out of WhatsApp or try to log in to another device, you can just go ahead and find the restore button after you log in. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.